In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply advanced formatting with Gemini right here in Google Sheets. Now, in a previous video, we've already covered advanced formatting with conditional formatting and using some formulas. Now, if you don't want to do all that, you can definitely still do advanced formatting with Gemini. In this example, I have some pizza reviews, and what I want to do is to highlight some of the restaurants that have the rating of 4.5 and above. Also, I want to know if I do have some duplicates within this table, and we're going to highlight those as well. So with those two tasks, I'm going to use Gemini. So let's get started. Let's open our Gemini on the right side. Here we have it, and here is our panel. Now, if you still don't have access to Gemini, I do have a separate video where I show you how to get it for free. If you're interested in that, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out. Going back to our Gemini panel, here at the bottom, this is where we're going to be entering our prompt. So again, what we want to do is to highlight the entire row in this table if it has a rating of 4.5 and above. So that's based on a condition. So in creating your prompts, you just have to be very specific. Tell it exactly what you want to do. And let's say in this case, I also wanted to highlight my data or those ratings in pink. So let's go ahead and do that. There we go. I made it specific. So I wanted to highlight the rows in my table that have a 4.5 rating and above with the color pink. So if I press enter right now, it's going through my data and it's now going to highlight all those rows that have a 4.5 rating and above. Here we have it. So all these highlighted rows have the rating of 4.5 and above. There we have it. Now let's try and highlight our duplicates. So again, same thing. All you have to do is to enter your prompt where you tell Gemini what to do, be specific about it, and straight to the point. So this time, I wanted to highlight the duplicate rows in my data with the color yellow. If we press enter, let's see where those duplicates are. And here we have one, the next one, and there we go. So 4 duplicates or 2 duplicates, one is original and one is the other copy. And there we have it. So we were able to apply advanced formatting to our table or to our data with the help of Gemini by just entering the prompt right here in the Gemini panel. And that's how you can apply advanced formatting with the use of Gemini right here in Google Sheets. But if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.